Hello students, a very good morning and good afternoon and good evening to all my students. Today we are going to see about the checkpoint maths 1. Okay, so this is the Cambridge board. Here the checkpoint is for 1. So now first of all we are going to see about the first part of it. So here what is the first part or the section 1 is the place value. Then ordering and rounding. So basically in this topic we are going to see about the decimal numbers and the place value of the decimal numbers, and after that how we are going to solve the decimal number calculation or estimation. Okay, so today we are going to see one by one. Now the place value is very simple, student. If I am writing this, okay, if I am writing it, student, that 3 4 91.65. Now always remember how to read a decimal number. It's 3491.65. I will not say that it is 65, it is 65. After decimal point you cannot read like the numbers like normal. It is 65. We are not going to say it is 65. Okay student. Now what is the place value is that? First one is thousand place, that we know. Always remember, go from the back. Okay, so after decimal point it is the 10th. It is TENTHS. It's 10th. Then after that 100th. Then it goes on. As the number digit increases, it is 10th, 100th and 1000. And here what it will be? It will be units or ones. This is units or ones we say. Okay, and this is the tens place and this is the 100th place. So this is the place value of a decimal number. Always remember student, after decimal point you have to write from 10th. Okay, and this is 100th. Okay student, and before that you have to write unit, tens, 100, 1000. Like that you have to do it student. I hope you understood what is the place value of a number. Now second thing, how to determine which number is the smaller number or which number is the bigger number. It's very simple student. How to do it? If I have a set of number 4.9, 2.2, 1, then 0.9, then 4.08, then 4.07. So big question mark that how we will decide. Now find out which one is the smallest number. I think this is the smallest number because it starts with 0. Anything which is there? No. So I will first write 0.9. After 0 which number we get? We get 1. So this is 1. So I will write 1. Then after that, after 1 which one will come? 2. So 2.2. Then after that 4. Now big question mark, there are 3 numbers which start with 4. Now after 4, see which is the bigger number. After 4 this is a 9. This is after 4 0 and this is 0. Both are 0, this part. So which one will be the smaller one? This one will be the smaller one. So I'll write 4.07. Then after that 4.08. Then after that 4.9. So this is the way student to arrange the decimal numbers. Okay. Okay students. So this is the way you do it. Now next we will move to the next one, that is multiplication and division of 10, 100 like that. Now how to do it? If I multiply by 10 or 100. Now for example I am multiplying 0.25 multiplied by 10. Now in 10 how many 0 we have? We have only 1 0. So what we will do? We will shift the decimal point towards the right. Towards the right student. Okay. So then what will be the answer? It will be 2.5. Very simple trick. First count the number of zeros. Then you have to shift the decimal point to that number of zeros. Okay. So that is the way you have to do it. Got it? Now for example, next we'll see, like for example here 0.25. I'll multiply with 100. In 100 how many 0 we have? 2 zeros. I will shift that 2 times the decimal point. So it will become 20.5.0. So that is basically 25 only. Okay, so like that you have to do it. Got it, student? Now we will see about the division part. Now when we divide it, always remember 460 divided by 1000. Now how many digits we have? We have 3 zeros in 1000. So I am going to shift. Now there is no decimal point here. So I will just write 460 point here. Then I am going to shift it for 3 times. 2 was the left. 2 was the left, student. 1, 2, 3. So what will be answer? 0.46 or 460. Both are correct. Understood, students? So this is the way you have to find it out. Now next part of it is rounding of numbers. Now how we will see what is the rounding of numbers is very simple. Now I'll take a big number. I'll write 10.994. Now first of all we'll do one by one. First thing, round it to nearest whole number. So nearest whole number will be what? So to see that nearest whole number, what we are going to do, after decimal point we are going to simply check that. After decimal point we are going to simply check this one. After decimal point, what is it? It is 9. If a number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then we shift it to next number. We shift it to next number. We are not going to shift this 9 to next number. We are going to shift this part. Now after 10 what will come? The answer is 11. The answer is 11, student. So the whole number is 11. Now they are telling to nearest one decimal point. So for one decimal point you are going to check this one. What it will be? Again you will get 11. Okay, now we'll try this another example for this. Okay, now what it will be? Again we'll say 10.94 10.894. Now I'll say one decimal place. So what you are going to do, I want to write till here only because the question is till one decimal place only you have to write it. So you have to check this number. Now 9 is greater than 5. Okay, so what I will do, I will increase this number. I will increase this number by next number. So what is the answer? It is 10.9. So like that you have to do according to the questions. You have to do according to the questions. Okay. Now the last topic is estimation. What is it? It is estimation. What is estimation is that it's just a now we are going to see about estimation. What is estimation? Estimation is about getting the estimating value. Okay, getting the estimating value means we are not doing actual calculation. We are going to just see what is by rounding of the number. An estimate is an approximate answer obtained by rounding. So that is called as estimation. Like for example, I am writing 39.8 divided by 4.9. So this 39.8 is there, right? I am going to round it off. So when I round it off, what we will get? We will get the value as 40. And when I round it 4.9 as 5. So 40 divided by 5 will be 8. So our estimated answer is 8. So you should get the answer around 8. So this is the way you get the estimated answer. Okay, so this is all for the place value ordering and rounding. Okay students, if you have anything as such doubt, you can put it in the comment. Second thing, if you want extra, okay, if you want extra question for the practice or something, you can see in the link which I provided below. Okay student, and thank you for watching my video. And second thing, please subscribe if you understood the concepts. Okay, thank you so much.